Hey, yeah, welcome to Cutsnloops. This channel is all about diving headfirst into tufting, where I bring fun characters and bold designs to life through yarn and creativity. Today, I'm thrilled to finally share my latest rug, Johnny Bravo. This larger than life piece has been a wild ride from the first sketch. I poured a ton of personality into every detail, that signature swagger, the iconic chin, and all the vibrant energy that makes him stand out. If you enjoy watching creative projects come together and you're thinking about picking up tufting yourself, stick around. I'm hoping this inspires you to try your own bold ideas. Drop a comment if Johnny Bravo is cracking you up and let me know what character or design you'd love to see next. Alright, enough talking, let's jump into how the Soul legend was born. I'm still in the final phase of completing Johnny Bravo. It is yet to be carved properly. Meanwhile, stay tuned. I'll put everything in my next video, but do not forget to share, subscribe, comment, and like the video. Thank you.